Oh, okay here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the Spigen Easy Fit tamper glass screen protector. Just shows you some of the features. Got 9H surface hardness, ruled glass, easy installation, and it just kind of goes through some of the stuff. The thing that I like about this case, it's like a guide, so you put the plastic directly over the phone itself, and it should get a perfect fit. So let me open it up and show you what I mean. Let's get all of this out. So it does come with two screen protectors. Let's put that to one side. You do have some instructions here as well. You can pause it and take a look at it. And it comes with, what's this? Probably some more products. This is a squeegee. It's actually pretty like tough, feels pretty good. And then this is where you have your alcohol, your cleaning wipes, and your cloth. Let's see what you get inside. Told you some more stuff about it. This is a dust removal kit. You got two of them because you've got two screen protectors. You got a cleaning cloth and you got two wipes. So let's put this to one side for a second. So you have the phone here, and it comes with two of these. So what it is, you have the screen protector, which has been held in by this going across, and this should fit perfectly over your phone like this. And it is indicated top is this side, so the top of your phone goes right up here, and then it goes on top, and it should lay perfectly. I'm going to be putting it to the test. I never tried this before. So what you do first is you clean off the phone, make sure it's fingerprint free and no dust or anything. You peel it off, you place it over the phone, you rip this off. No, sorry, you don't rip it off, sorry. You press it down, you slide it across for 30 seconds like it says. It will spread across the screen, and then you lift this off, and the screen protector will be on. And if there's any bubbles, you could use the squeegee to kind of squeegee them out, and hopefully we get a perfect fit. Never tried one of these before. We're going to see how it works. So I'm going to clean everything up and get everything set. So I've got it on. It seems to be a perfect fit. You've got a few bubbles at the corners and one in the middle. We're just going to use the squeegee to get it off. But I think these, because there's this film on top of it, I think the bubbles might be under the film and not the screen protector itself. But anyway, we'll still do it. I think we managed to get all the air bubbles out, because we do have a protective screen over this. Let's take this off. And it looks like literally a perfect fit. So I'm going to zoom in a bit. You can see it's got a cutout there at the top for the notch. So you do have the sensors and the camera and everything exposed. In terms of the fit, it doesn't go like completely to the edge. But it doesn't like lap over. The fit on it does seem pretty good. Don't know if you can see it, it is raised up slightly. But once you have a case on, it should be good. Overall, for first impressions, I'm actually impressed with the case. Let's see how, yeah, it still seems responsive and everything like that. And if you're the type of person who doesn't like installing screen protectors, who doesn't want to get bubbles or anything in there, this screen protector is definitely for you. You get 2 of them and it's like you're almost guaranteed a perfect fit every single time. There's no way you're gonna misalign it, because once it goes over, it only goes over it one way, and then you just slide it down, it goes down perfectly. If there's a little bubbles in there, you do have a little squeegee, like I had one in the corner. You just kind of squeegee it out, a few seconds it's gone, and the screen protectors are literally perfect. So I am very pleased with the results so far, and hopefully I will keep my phone screen from cracking in the future. So it's definitely a wise investment. If you're interested in the screen protector, I have the link to it on Amazon in the description down below, so you could go and check it out. I highly recommend this screen protector. So that is about it for the video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know, did you buy one? Are you going to get one? What do you think of the quality? Leave all that good stuff in the comment section down below. And that is about it. Thanks for watching. Peace.